When you think about ways of saving money and cutting your greenhouse gas emissions, sometimes it's not always the obvious things like office equipment and fleet car use. Here's a great example. Cracks and openings around doors are a major cause of driving your energy bills through the roof. Drafts affect indoor air temperatures, forcing your heating, ventilation and air conditioning systems to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature range. The results: more electricity used and more cost to your business. So here's the solution. It's called a weather strip, and it's about the easiest but most effective way to have an instant impact on your power bill and greenhouse gas emissions.
A weather strip is a self-adhesive weatherproofing foam tape that helps eliminate air, dust and moisture leaks from around your doors and windows. They come in all sorts of styles, colours, widths and depths, and with varying degrees of foam density, depending on the gap you want to fill. Importantly, remember to get weather stripping that will tolerate the friction, weather, temperature changes and wear and tear associated with its location. Ask at your local hardware store for advice, but keep in mind that high compression foam will tend to fill the gaps more effectively.
Of course, first you'll need to identify where the drafts are coming from. Look for visible light under and around the doors. Use a damp hand to detect drafts. You'll feel the air movement. Measure up the perimeters of the areas and maybe add 10% for wastage as you cut. Also, carefully measure the gap between the door frame and the door. You need to be fairly precise with this, as it will determine the thickness of the weather stripping you buy. Now to apply the weather stripping onto the door frame. Give the surfaces a quick clean. The strip will stick faster and longer if you remove all grit and dirt. Stick the stripping to the frame sides first, then the top. If the door won't quite close properly, you can fix this by trimming away the top strip on the door hinge side of the frame. Finally, if your door is sitting too high off the floor, light coming in or a strong draft, it is a sure sign to install a door sweep like this one. This flexible PVC flap hangs to the floor to stop airflow. Simple as that. There you have it, one sealed door. A straightforward and really effective way to keep your office warm in winter and cool in summer. It'll save you money and help cut your greenhouse gas emissions. What are you waiting for?